Do you know how to say, I am learning Spanish in Español? Well, in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you exactly that. Let's break the sentence down. So first of all, to say I am in Español, well, there are two ways of saying it. We either say soy, well, that's for permanent things and for describing your personality or your profession. The other one is estoy. Estoy. It means I am. It's for temporary things. Estoy. And the second part of the second part of this sentence comes from the verb aprender. Aprender means to learn. But in Espanol, the ing translates to yendo in Espanol for verbs that end in er, and ando for verbs that end in ar. As you can see, aprender is an er ending verb. So we remove the er and we add yendo, and it becomes aprendiendo. Aprendiendo is learning. Let's put those first two words together. Estoy aprendiendo. Estoy aprendiendo. And then, of course, español, Spanish. Estoy aprendiendo español. And there's quite a bit of important grammar there. So first of all, estoy, as I said, comes from the verb estar, and the verb aprender is an er ending verb. And when we put them together, the estoy aprendiendo is something that we're actually doing. And that's called the present progressive or the present continuous tense. It's one of the present tenses that we can have most fun with in Espanol. So how do you, next time you come across somebody who is speaking a little bit too fast for you and you want them to speak un poco más despacio, por favor, you can tell them, estoy aprendiendo español. No more, no hablo español. We don't want to be saying that. We want to say, estoy aprendiendo español. Muy bien. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Adiós.